So we have some frozen everything in Texas, and my wife wants me to change some lights. So first things first, you have to turn off the breaker to the light. That way you're safe and you're not going to die while doing this. Then if you do that, you can remove the light. This was easy removal because it was only 2 screws holding it to the ceiling. Now that you've done that, you can go ahead and undo the cables, but not before you take a picture or videos, because we are going to be removing the box on top, and in order to do that we have to undo every single connection. So make sure you have a point of reference and how everything will go back together. Once you've done that, then you can take out the box. You're going to need an extension for your drill bit. In my case, it was a Phillips head, and I unscrewed 2 3-inch screws holding it up. Now it's time to take it out. You have to play with the wires are going to try to keep it up in place. So you're going to have to play with the wires and the box until you take it out completely. Now it's time to mark your cutout. Usually in the box there will be a template. In my case, it was a 6 3/8 hole. I cut it out of the manual and marked it on the ceiling. I'm going to use a hand tool to cut out the circle, but you can use whatever tools you have available. If you have any power tools, it'll probably make it faster. What I did also before I started cutting out is I pushed the insulation out of the way so that not a lot of it can fall down to the ground and make a mess. It was still kind of messy when I was done, but it helps minimize the mess. Once you're done cutting your hole, you're going to start putting the cables together. Remember, take out your picture or video you had just to make sure nothing is going the wrong way. The last thing you want to do is burn down your house. And now it's time to hook up our box that actually controls our light to our power. So you're gonna do white to white, black to black, and ground to ground. All these are gonna be inside the box, the junction box, and anything with a wire nut that's gonna be outside of the box, you're gonna need to tape it just for security, because later we're just gonna push this into that attic space and install our lighting. This particular light that I bought has different settings for lights, anywhere from really warm to really cool. I like the cool setting, but you can play with it. I think there's like 6 or 7 different settings that you can play with according to what you like. So once you're done testing your light, you want to turn off the light again so you don't shock yourself while putting all the cables back in, and then just pop your light in. It's that simple. Remember to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for new videos in the future. Also leave a comment in the comment section.